Evening routine.
Hello, Lily. How are you this evening?
Hello, Jackson. I am doing well, thank you. How about you?
I am doing well too. I was just thinking about my evening routine.
That sounds interesting. What do you usually do after work?
My evenings are usually calm. After work, I like to slow down and relax.
That sounds nice. My evenings are usually busy, but I always enjoy them.
What do you usually do first when you get home?
First, I wash my hands, change my clothes, and take a short rest.
I do almost the same. It helps me feel fresh again.
Do you make dinner by yourself?
Yes, I do. I like cooking simple meals at home.
What do you usually cook?
I often cook rice, vegetables, and some chicken.
That sounds delicious. I like soup and fresh bread in the evening.
Do you cook every day?
Most days, yes. Sometimes my family helps me in the kitchen.
That must be fun. Cooking together is always nice.
Yes, we talk and laugh while we prepare the food.
That makes dinner more enjoyable.
Do you eat dinner early or late?
I usually eat around 7 o'clock.
I eat at about the same time.
After dinner, I wash the dishes right away.
I do that too. It keeps the kitchen clean.
Then I like to sit on the sofa and relax for a while.
What do you usually do while you relax?
Sometimes I listen to soft music or read a simple book.
I like reading too. It helps me feel calm.
Do you use your phone a lot in the evening?
Not too much. I try to spend more time with my family.
That is a very good idea.
What do you do before going to bed?
I prepare my clothes and bag for the next day.
I do the same. It saves time in the morning.
Yes, and it helps me feel ready for tomorrow.
I also check my schedule before I sleep.
That is very smart. I sometimes write a short to-do list.
Before bed, I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Then I say good night to my family.
I do the same. It is a nice way to end the day.
A peaceful evening helps me sleep well and feel happy.
I agree. A good evening routine makes every new day better. Changing a flight ticket day.
Excuse me, I need some help with my flight ticket.
Of course. What can I help you with today?
I need to change the date of my flight.
No problem. May I have your booking number, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Let me check your booking.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
I found your ticket. What is the reason for the change?
My travel plans have changed, so I need to fly later.
I understand. What new travel date would you like?
I would like to travel next Friday.
Let me check the available flights for that day.
Sure, I can wait.
Good news. There are a few seats available next Friday.
That is great to hear.
There is a morning flight and an afternoon flight.
I would like the afternoon flight, please.
Good choice. It leaves at 2:30 in the afternoon.
That time is perfect for me.
There is a small change fee for your ticket.
That is okay. How much is the fee?
The change fee is $25.
That sounds reasonable.
After the payment, your new ticket will be confirmed.
Great. Please change my booking.
Certainly. I am updating your ticket now.
Thank you for making the process easy.
You are welcome. It will only take a moment.
No problem. I'm happy to wait.
Your new flight has been confirmed.
Wonderful. Thank you very much.
I will also send the updated ticket to your email.
That will be very helpful.
Please check that all the information is correct after you receive it.
I will check it carefully.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, that is everything. Thank you for your kind service.
You are very welcome. Have a safe and pleasant trip. Talking about sports and hobbies.
I always enjoy talking about sports and hobbies. They make life more fun.
I agree. Everyone has something they like to do in their free time.
What is your favorite sport?
I like badminton because it is easy to learn and very enjoyable.
That is a great choice. I like playing football with my friends.
How often do you play football?
I usually play every Saturday afternoon.
That sounds exciting. Do you play on a team?
No, we just play for fun at the local park.
That is nice. Playing with friends is always enjoyable.
Do you play badminton every week?
Yes, I usually play 2 or 3 times a week.
Does it help you stay healthy?
Yes, it does. It keeps me active and gives me more energy.
I feel the same after playing football.
Do you have any hobbies besides sports?
Yes, I enjoy reading books and listening to music.
What kind of books do you like?
I like simple stories and books about travel.
That sounds interesting. I enjoy drawing in my free time.
Really? What do you like to draw?
I like drawing flowers, trees, and small houses.
That is wonderful. Drawing needs a lot of patience.
Yes, but it also helps me relax after a busy day.
I understand. Reading helps me relax too.
Do you ever ride a bicycle?
Yes, I like riding my bicycle in the evening.
I enjoy bicycle rides too, especially when the weather is nice.
Fresh air always makes me feel happy.
Me too. It's good for both the body and the mind.
We have many things in common.
Yes, we really do.
Do your family members enjoy sports too?
Yes, we sometimes play football together on weekends.
It is fun. We laugh a lot and have a great time together.
My family likes going for evening walks together.
Walking is a very good habit.
Yes, it helps us stay healthy and spend time together.
I think sports and hobbies make life more enjoyable.
I agree. They keep us active, relaxed, and happy every day.
A noise complaint.
Excuse me, may I speak with you for a moment?
Of course. What can I do for you?
I wanted to talk about the noise from your apartment.
Oh, I am sorry. Was it very loud?
Yes, it has been a little loud for the last few evenings.
I did not know it was bothering you.
I understand. That is why I wanted to tell you politely.
Thank you for coming to speak with me.
I hope I am not causing any trouble.
Not at all. I appreciate your honesty.
Sometimes I cannot sleep because of the music.
I am really sorry to hear that.
I have work early in the morning.
I understand. Good sleep is important.
Thank you for understanding.
Can you tell me what time the noise is the loudest?
Usually between 9 and 11 at night.
I see. That is helpful to know.
I did not want to complain without speaking to you first.
I am glad you came to me.
Thank you for listening.
My cousins have been visiting this week.
Oh, I did not know that.
We have been talking and playing music together.
That explains the noise.
Yes, but we should have been more careful.
I know you were probably having a good time.
Yes, we were enjoying our time together.
I understand. Family visits are special.
Thank you for being so kind.
I just wanted to find a simple solution.
I agree. We can fix this.
That would be wonderful.
We can lower the music after 8 o'clock.
I would really appreciate that.
We can also close the windows.
That should help a lot.
If we want to talk loudly, we will keep our voices down.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
My cousins will leave in 2 days.
That is good to know.
After that, everything will be quiet again.
I'm happy we could talk about it.
Me too. Good neighbors should help each other.
I completely agree.
If the noise is ever too loud again, please tell me.
I will. Thank you for saying that.
I never want to disturb you.
I know. I appreciate your understanding.
Thank you for speaking so politely.
Thank you for listening and finding a solution.
I hope you have a quiet and restful evening.
Thank you. I hope you and your family enjoy the rest of your visit.
We will. Have a wonderful evening.